In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a label to an email in Gmail. Labels in Gmail are a simple way to organize your inbox. You can think of a label like a flexible folder. The nice part is that a single email can have more than one label, which makes it easier to sort and find messages later. In this walkthrough, you will add a label to one specific email using Gmail on a computer in a web browser. First, open Gmail in your web browser. If you have more than one Google account, make sure you are in the correct inbox before you continue. Once Gmail loads, you will see your list of emails in the center of the screen. Next, click on the email you want to label. This opens the message so you can work with it directly. Take a moment to confirm you are labeling the right email, especially if you have several similar messages. Now look toward the top of the email, just above the message content. You will see a toolbar that contains several small icons. This toolbar is where Gmail keeps most of the actions you can apply to an email, like archive, move, and other options. On that same toolbar, locate the three-dot icon, sometimes shown as 3 vertical dots. Click that 3-dot icon to open the More menu. A drop-down menu will appear with additional actions. In that menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Label As. When you hover, another panel will open to the side, showing the labels available in your Gmail account. Move your cursor into that label list. Finally, select the label you want to apply to the email. As soon as you choose it, Gmail will add that label to the message. The email will now be associated with that label, making it easier to find later by clicking the label name in the left sidebar. And that is all there is to it.